Would you like one of these? Sorry, there is no such thing. Kids don't come with manuals. We have to figure out how to do things as we go. But we can get help from other people, from people that have gone before us, that have experience. And I would like to share my experience, my research, and a lot of my reading with you in a new workshop series for international parents. I'm offering a total of 7 different workshops that you can join, but various aspects of raising children in cross-cultural international environments, ranging from the grief and loss process to saying goodbye, staying connected, simple logistics of moving, and many other things in between. For parents specifically, we'll give you lots of tips and advice and share with other parents how to do it, what works, and what we can do to help support our children through the choices, live through and make the most of the choices that we have made for them in our lives. So join me from January. Find it all on globalmobilitytrainer.com. You can join individual workshops or get the whole package and come to all 7. Hop on my newsletter and you won't miss any information. I'll see you there.